Today's project I call Unsanctified Fall. It's my play on the Sanctified with falls added to it. And we're going to have a 4-strand cord consisting of 2 strands, each one at 15 inches long or 38.1 centimeters, melted together to form a loop. Both loops connected here to make our cord. Colors we're using is yellow, orange, and red. The yellow is 60 inches long or 152.4 centimeters. The orange is 62 inches long, 157.48 centimeters. The 2 mil red is 50 inches long or 127 inches. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, something sharp to cut with, a lighter, some fire, a presser. I'm using a morning spike. Tell you what, people, do it.
Crafting joy like summer breeze. Every braid a sweet release, binding us in perfect peace. Making